Alrighty, the ceiling fan is not working in the Philippines. What could that possibly mean? You guessed it, a brownout. Yeah, the electricity went off about 10 o'clock this morning, and according to the electric company, I think we're going to be out till about maybe 5 o'clock tonight. I guess we'll see. So nothing's working. We are down for the day. However, we bought a stationary bike a couple days ago, so I just got off of it. I went 30 minutes on this thing, and now Eden is. Now it's Eden doing her 30 minutes.
Almost 30 minutes. See?
How you doing, hon?
I'm dripping like hell.
It's dripping like hell. It's freaking hot as hell in this room too. This is our spare room. This is our spare room, as you might be able to see. I got all the toys up there, and we got the stationary bike going full speed. 30 minutes. How many minutes do you have down right now? Tell me when it gets to that screen. Let me know.
24.
24 minutes?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
You're almost done. Shit, you got 6 more minutes to go. So there's the guitars. There's the fan that we installed. Of course, it's not working. So no cool air in here. The only cool air we're getting is coming through this back window, which is really nothing. There's nothing but heat.
No breeze and hot.
Heat, hot sun out there. So there's the spare bed. There's a lonely little chair over by the window to sit down on when you're at the computer. Little amplifier for the guitars. I had to sell off all my amplifiers back in the States before I came over here because, yeah, well, that's a long story. Another chair, doorway, going outside, going out to the other room. Little wardrobe, actually it's kind of more of a linen closet. It's a wardrobe where people put their clothes and whatnot, but we put all our towels and sheets and blankets in there because we have no linen closet. So this is what we use for that purpose. Storage up on top. Yeah, it's a cool little room. I like it. Somebody needs to stay the night, they can just crash out right there. As long as they don't mind the stationary bike being here.
They can freely take a ride.
So yeah, you can freely take a ride. Get down here and get some exercise. So yeah, we were supposed to go to the gym today, but today was kind of a cardio day for the gym, and we were just going to ride the bike and do some crunches. We decided, hell, might as well just stick it out here with the brownout, with the electricity being out. So anyways, that's about it. Not a whole lot going on. Not a whole lot going on today. When we have these brownouts, it's kind of like you got to be creative and make good use of your time, and that's what we're trying to do. So anyways, thanks guys. We will see you soon. Okay, I think we're just about done, right? You're 30 minutes now?
More than 30 minutes.
Okay, good job. Excellent. All right, hon.
Okay.
Congratulations, you finished.
I'm done.
Feel better?
Yeah, feels great, hon. Nice workout.
Okay.
Dripping.
All right, you're done. You're done. Take a rest. Drink some water. Good job. Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. What do you got to say?
Bye.
All right, later.
Thanks for watching.